पुदुचेरी जाना था हमको, तो कलकत्ता चेन्नई फ्लाइट ली हमने फ्रॉम कलकत्ता एयरपोर्ट। ये एयरपोर्ट की सीन है, माहौल व्यू है। एंड फ्रॉम देयर वहाँ से फिर आपको मालूम है काफ़ी एडवांस में जाना पड़ता है। अब ये ट्रेन में बोर्ड हो गए हम लोग। आफ्टर सिक्योरिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज ओवर, ये दिस इज अ सीन इनसाइड दी एंड नाउ इट इज टेकिंग ऑफ टाइम, टेकिंग ऑफ व्यू फॉर टेकिंग ऑफ। अभी व्यू प्लेन के इनसाइड के व्यू है। इज अ बिग प्लेन, एयरबस A321 एंड देन चेन्नई राइट टाइम, rather before time पहुंच गया प्लेन। Yeah, this is where landing. Now we have landed. ये लैंड हो गए। This is in Chennai Airport, International Airport. This is Chennai Airport. We have reached. Now from the plane, we have to take a bus which took us to the terminal for collection of the luggage collection. After luggage collection, you have to go to the, for Uber, you have to go to, there's a battery operated 4-wheeler that will take you free, battery operated, that took us to the Aero Hub for Uber. Aero Hub पहुंचने के बाद you have to go to the Aero Hub is in
taxi pickup point.
Yes, this is the Aero Hub. From there we have to go to the second floor. यहाँ से देखिए ये है टैक्सी पिकअप पॉइंट। This is the Aero Hub, and you have to go to take a lift to the second floor, and from there this is a V12 pillar. From there Uber, taken Uber, and it took us 2 hours 58 minutes. This is a Uber cab, and it has taken us almost 4,000 rupees. That includes 3 toll plaza cost, toll plaza, as well as that entry fee. That entry fee include that also. This is a toll plaza manned by ladies. Strange food sold on the street of Chennai. Palm food, they say. It is ready to eat.